Hello, I'm going over one of my favorite video games, and that is Star Wars Battlefront 2. Um, this is the direct sequel to the 2015 Star Wars Battlefront, and even before that, it's a remake of the original. Um, it's the remake of the original 2004 and 2005 Star Wars Battlefront, created by Pandemic Studios. Reasons for liking this game: it's enjoyable if you like shooters. You get to relive some of your favorite Star Wars moments, playing as some of your favorite Star Wars characters. My personal favorite is going to be Darth Vader and Boba Fett. Um, the game is immersive, where working as a team, you could really change the outcome of the game, and really help you with um, getting in that victory. And if you're just an overall fan of Star Wars, you would really appreciate this game. It gives you a vast variety of different characters that you've seen through the movies, games, and such. This game was the sequel to, like I said, this game was a sequel to the 2015 Battlefront. Like its predecessor, Battlefront gave you an immersive experience, but now allowing you to explore the game along all eras, not only the original trilogy, but you get to play as the Republic and Separatists in the prequels, and First Order and the Resistance in the sequels, and all the heroes that are in their respective eras. This game gives you an explosive multiplayer and an interesting character-driven campaign. This game is guaranteed fun when it comes to multiplayer. It's kind of addicting. I find myself spending hours a day just playing multiplayer and hashing it, just getting my points and just having an absolute blast playing it. Along with my friends and other people I meet across the platform. The game also gives you an option to customize your infantry and weapons with a vast assortment of unique skins and abilities. And right over here is a little bit of gameplay that I found. It's the Siege of Kamino, playing as the Republic. What I would do better, though the game is fun, it couldn't really capture the scope that the developers, DICE, wanted to show. I feel like they kind of ended it a little too abruptly. Reasons why, I'm not sure. I would add more, if it was up to me, I would add more DLC options, including characters like Ahsoka Tano, Mace Windu, Kit Fisto, Jango Fett, and Plo Koon, just to name a few, and their respectable legions that go along with them. I would fix some of the bugs and glitches the game occasionally has. I would make the campaign focus more on the Empire's point of view, like how it was promised during the launch of the game. And last but certainly not least, I would add Delta Squad. I've always been a fan of the Republic Commandos, and the game that came out in the early 2000s on Xbox, I think that would really add a different dynamic to the game itself, with them having their unique abilities. What type of gamers would love this game? Gamers who love multiplayer shooters, Star Wars fans, of course. This game would really appeal to the youth, from children and teens. Excuse me. And honestly, just everyone who enjoys a good game.